Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Homemade Indian Food. Today we have a special request from a 10-year-old.
That's so fun.
Jayesh, thank you so much for this request. We're honored to make this for you.
Yes, definitely.
And we will be making Dal Dhokli. You ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this, Jayesh.
Okay.
Let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use to make the Dal Dhokli. First, we have the ingredients for the dal. We have tur dal, tomato, peanuts, ginger garlic paste, fresh lemon juice, oil, ghee, red chili, curry leaves, turmeric powder, Garam Masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, mustard seed, cumin seed, Kashmiri Mirch, hing, and some coriander leaves. Now let's take a look at what we're going to use to make the dhokli. We have atta, oil, ajwain, Kashmiri Mirch, and finally turmeric. That's it for the ingredients for Dal Dhokli. Let's go ahead and get started cooking. So we'll get started with the dal. We have the tur dal that's been rinsed. We'll add that to the pressure cooker. Along with the oil. And 1.5 cups of water. I'll cook the dal in the pressure cooker for 16 minutes. Or if you have a manual, it will be 5 whistles. Now that we have the dal in the pressure cooker, let's go ahead and get started making the dhokli. So we have our atta, and to that I will add the turmeric powder, the Kashmiri Mirch, the ajwain seeds. Get that mixed in real quick. We'll add the oil. Get the oil mixed in. Then we're going to take approximately 1/2 cup of water and we'll mix the water into it. So I'll pour about half, get that mixed in, and pour the rest. Get this into a ball and we'll start kneading it here real quick. Sounds like the dal's finished. All it needs to do is depressurize now. And we have the dough ready. It's a nice soft dough ball. Set that aside. I'll wash my hands and we'll get cooking on the gravy for it. I have the kadai going over a high flame. I'll add the ghee. ghee will melt down here in a second, and then I'll add the mustard seeds. The cumin seeds. The red chili. The hing. And the curry leaves. And we'll saute these for a few seconds. Now we'll add the tomato. I'll add the ginger garlic paste. We'll saute these until the tomatoes turn nice and soft. Now that we have the tomatoes sauteed, they're nice and soft, we'll take a whisk and we'll take the tour dal and we'll get this whisked down to where it's almost a paste-like consistency, so the dal's not whole. Now we'll add the dal to the tomatoes. Now I'll add a cup and a half of water. And I'll add the peanuts. I'll add the turmeric powder. The Garam Masala. The Kashmiri Mirch. The cumin powder. And the coriander powder. Get this all mixed in and we'll let it simmer for a while. Now we'll take our dough and we'll roll it out, hopefully into a round. If you've seen the chapati making challenge, you know who should be doing this job right now, not me. Mumzies was the champion. So we're gonna roll this out thicker than we did for the chapatis. Then we're gonna cut the dhokli into diamond-shaped patterns. All right, I think it's pretty close to being there. We'll go ahead and get it cut now. Okay, now we'll get them over and put them into the dal. Now we'll add the dhokli. Now we have all the dhokli in there. It's mixed well. Now we'll add the lemon juice. Now we'll cover it and let it boil for 10 minutes. We'll add the coriander. Get that mixed in there. Then it'll be time to put it in a bowl and put it to the test. Well, how does that look?
Looks good. Ready to try.
All right, let's put it to the test.
Okay.
Well, this smells really nice.
It does. It really does.
It does. It looks nice too. Mm-hmm. Does it look like the dish that we had at Rajdhani?
A little bit.
I think our pieces are a little bit bigger. The Dhokli.
And it's a little thicker, I think.
Yeah. Hopefully it tastes as nice as that. That was a good dish.
It was a good dish.
Yeah. Well, Jayesh, I hope you like it. I hope this looks good to you.
Tried.
Boy, it was a tough dish to make. There was
a lot of steps.
A long process for it.
Yeah.
But you're worth it, little buddy.
That's right.
All right, let's do this.
Okay.
For Jayesh.
Okay.
And we're having it with some Sona Masuri rice. Indian brown rice.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh, hot. Like it?
Mm-hmm.
Mmm. Mmm.
The texture's about the same, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I don't really remember the flavor at the restaurant that well.
We were eating so much that I don't remember either.
I mean, it was a thali, so there's so many different dishes, but wow, the flavor in here is really nice.
Mm-hmm. Really good.
How's the spice level?
It's creeping up. Actually, I'll put a little bit of the yogurt on it.
Oh, good. Yeah, we did some yogurt. Mumsies was a little bit afraid that it was going to be spicy.
Yes. Mm-hmm. So good.
I remember the texture perfectly from the restaurant.
Yeah, the texture is
This
good.
is just like the same texture.
Yes, I like it with the yogurt. Do a happy dance.
Happy dance. Jayesh gets a Mumsies happy dance.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good. With the yogurt added.
I might try a little bit of the yogurt too.
It's good.
Wow. That adds a completely different flavor profile to it.
It does. It's so good. See why I did a happy dance?
Yeah. Well, Jayesh, you got a happy dance from both of us. Not quite at the same time, but ooh. Yeah, let us know in the comments if you eat it with the yogurt. It tastes absolutely wonderful.
Mm-hmm. It
Yeah,
does. I really like it.
completely different. Wow.
I really like it.
This was a really good dish. It was worth all the effort.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
It was good.
Hope you enjoyed it as well, Jayesh.
Hope so.
It was our pleasure to do this for you.
Yes, definitely.
Well, Samach Patidar. I think we're going to take you up on your request next.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that sounds like it'll be a lot fun
It'll be different.
to make at home too.
Yeah.
Just to give everyone else a little hint, it's an ingredient that usually goes into a lot of different dishes. Mm-hmm. A lot of Indian vegetarian dishes have this ingredient.
Yes.
So there's a little hint for you. Well, thank you so much, everyone, for watching. We greatly appreciate it.
We do.
Until next time.
Bye.